So we're on this crazy adventure. I have this, 12-foot inflatable kayak on my back. I've got all my fishing gear. We're going to find access to the water. I almost feel like this is kind of a crazy idea. Double one. Oh my gosh, the big fish just jumped. We got a fish going. Hey, how y'all doing today? God bless you. Hope everything is good. Today is another very quick fishing challenge trip. Again, I've got 2 hours to fish. Now, last time I was trying to get some coho and I ended up getting a giant pike minnow and some trout. That's not going to cut it for me. Today I'm shooting for, the challenge is 2 coho in 2 hours, and I'm just fishing with hardware. So I'm going to be fishing with spoons, spinners, and twitching jigs. The little bit complex part about today is the several fishing holes I want to fish. I can only get to them by boat. I don't have land access. And so I've got my kayak, and I'm going to be kind of like sneaking into this area that's closed. I'm going to launch my kayak, and I'm going to get to those spots and fish the heck out of them and see if we can't get a coho. So enough jabbing here. We're going to get to the river on our 2-hour fishing challenge and try to find some coho salmon. Let's go. Okay, so we're on this crazy adventure. I have this, 12-foot inflatable kayak on my back. I've got all my fishing gear. Trying to keep it light, but this thing weighs a ton. Okay, we're going to find access to the water, and then we're gonna inflate this thing. My buddy Aaron, hey, shout out to you, Aaron. Thank you so much for helping out, for taking my truck back. I appreciate you, man. The map says this path goes out to the water. It better, because I don't see any water, but all right, let's get to the water. Then we'll set up and we'll turn this back on. Where are you? We found the river. Whoa! Almost fell. Okay, let's get set up. All right. To make filling up this raft of breeze, I've got this cool Rodix blower. This thing is insane. It's like a turbine, but it's super small. We're gonna fill up that raft. That was quick. How long did it take? Now we top it off with the K-pump. Let's go. All right, that's it. Load up our gear. We're gonna get on the water. We gotta get to fishing. We only got 2 hours. 2 hours. Let's go. Okay. There we go. But here's the hardware buffet. I'm going to show you the lures I'm going to use. I've got 2 spinning rods, and we're going to use hardware only. So check out what we got. So we got a spoon box. Lots of spoons to choose from. You can see these are pretty big. They're salmon size. The smallest is probably 2/5, and they go from there. Then you have your twitching jigs. Haven't had a ton of success, but I want to try those. Then you have some of your big blue foxes, number 5s and 6s, and obviously a monster rooster tail. And then you have pretty much your prime spinners, some flying seas, some special ones made in Florence, Oregon, and some blue foxes. So let's go ahead and tie one onto both of our setups, and we're gonna start working this spot. We have about an hour and a half to fish. Let's go. Oh, little fish, little fish, little fish. Little fish. Not what I wanted. I didn't want a rainbow. That's for sure. But still. Pretty little fish. Oh yeah. A good cast. Oh, I got a fish on. Oh, it's on? Nothing big again? What you got? Oh, beautiful rainbow trout. Beautiful. That thing was studly. Should have brought the net over. All right, let's get twitchy. Now, pink is known to be a coho killer. Yeah, let's just go all pink. Ooh, look at this pink black. Holy crap, that one looks nice. Look at this thing. Pink, purple, black. All right, let's do this. Oh, not this one. We're gonna run it on our, well, yeah, we are. Okay. Let's go. Come on, girl. Give me wisdom. Give me wisdom on where to catch this fish at. Give me wisdom, Lord. Give me wisdom on how to catch this fish. Oh, fish on. Fish on. We got one. We got one. Yes. We got one. Oh my gosh, the big fish. Just jumped. We got a fish going. Oh my gosh. We're going to go up here. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Got a fish on. Let me get the net. Okay, we're gonna catch this fish. We're gonna catch this fish. We're gonna catch this fish. Yes, we are. Okay, we have fish on here. Hopefully you get a good enough angle. We're gonna catch this fish. Yes, we are. I don't have my long net, but now that's on a twitching jig. Oh, that's a good go. Stay on, please. It's not big, but it looks chrome. Oh. Got it. Got it. Oh my gosh. We did it. We did it. We did it. No way. No way. Well, damn, we did it. Don't lose it. Don't lose it. Coho salmon. A nice one. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. All right, I'm bleeding the fish out. I bonked it. That's my process. I bonk it and I cut the gills. See how the blood coming out? All right. And then I put it in the water and massage it. Just let all the blood come out. All right, let's get back on the road. Well, thank you all for watching today. I didn't get 2 coho salmon, but I got 1. That was my first one for the fall, so I couldn't be more pleased. It paid off getting in my raft, moving to some of these little spots that I've wanted to fish that you can't really get access to by bank. So, wow, that just paid off today. I saw some more fish, but couldn't get a second. But that's it. We did, this video was called the 2-hour hardware buffet, or the 2-hour coho hardware buffet, fishing strictly with hardware, spoon spinners and twitching jigs, but the winner was the twitching jig. So outstanding. I'm gonna get down to the boat ramp and get home, get back to baby duty. Thank you all so much for watching. God bless you. And you know the secret to having an awesome and content life is to grow a beard and love Jesus. Take care.